Are your Microsoft is Mono apps crashing due to the Mono for Android Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Mono for Android Library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Mono for Android Library, a foundational library used by the Xamarin framework to bridge Android-based citing as code with the Windows execution environment. It is common in Android emulators and cross-platform mobile development suites. If missing, the development environment will fail to deploy apps to virtual devices, citing a runtime load failure. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Since Mono for Android Library DLL belongs to the Windows system core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Mono for Android Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. A quick safety warning: never download files like Mono for Android Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Mono for Android Library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Mono for Android Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.